Are you looking for the best home generator? In this video we will look at some of the best home generator on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Genmax GM2200i Home Generator. The GM2200i inverter generator provides outdoor sports enthusiasts with a portable power solution designed for various outdoor celebrations, from weekends in the woods to outdoor picnics and parties. This model can provide the stable power you need without disturbing neighbors or surrounding wildlife. It also has a CO detection alarm function. The Genmax 2200 starting watts inverter generator is powered by a 79.7cc 4-stroke OHV gas engine, with inverter technology produce 2200 starting watts/1800 running watts clean power, less than 3% THD. Confidently connect your sensitive electronics such as TV, lights, fans, small power tools and more on camping trips, etc. At only 41.8 pounds, lightweight and compact, the sturdy handle makes it easy to carry for long distance. As low as 58 bar noise output and up to 6 hours of runtime at 50% load on a 1-gallon gas tank. Features economy mode for maximum fuel efficiency. Includes low oil alarm, overload alarm, co-warning light and output indicator. Features eco mode for conserving energy and maximum fuel efficiency, to 120 volts/20A outlets. 120 volts/30A outlets, parallel ready. Number 2. 4400 watt home generator. During a power outage, Powersmart portable generators make sure the most important items are up and running. Take a Powersmart portable generator to that far corner of your property instead of running length extension cords. Bring a Powersmart portable generator to your next tailgate party or camping trip. You'll have all the comforts of home. Powersmart is founded by American Incorporated, headquartered in Itasca, Illinois, specializes in small engine equipments, such as lawn mowers, snowblowers, generators. We fully integrated design, manufacture, direct sale, and service to provide reliable products and dependable service. Like all tools and equipments, products sometimes are in need of repair or replacement. Powersmart has 500+ certified repair center in US and provide full replacement parts through EEL headquarters. Any issue, just contact with us please. Number 3. 2400 watts portable home generator. The Generac 2400p inverter generator is a super quiet and portable generator to keep you powered on the outdoor or at your home. Produces clean, reliable power with 2400 watts peak watts and 1800 watts running watts. Runs for up to 14.4 hours at the eco mode with a 0.95 gallon fuel tank. The 2400p generator, with its portability, high fuel efficiency, stable power output, low noise operation, versatility, reliability, ease of operation, and safety features, is an ideal choice for outdoor activities and emergency power. Inverter generator are for the pure sine wave output that protects your sensitive appliances. Only 42.99 pounds, lightweight and portable generator, designed for camping trips. Use eco mode to extend the running time. This allows the generator's engine to automatically adjust its fuel consumption, and saving you money. Number 4. 4000 watt portable home generator. 149cc 4-stroke OHV engine produces 4000 peak watts and 3200 rated watts with recoil start for up to 5 hours at half load on 1.32 gallon, 60 Hz. Intelligent gauge keeps track of voltage, runtime and hertz and track power output. Plus feature low oil lead and economic mode to save fuel. Includes 120 volts AC 120A outlets, one L530R twist lock receptacle, one 12 volts DC 8.3A outlet and one USB car charger, two 5 volts USB port. parallel ready to connect 2 generators for twice the power. Produce clean power required by sensitive electronics such as phones, TV. Fully enclosed design reduces noise level, 55 dB at 23 feet distance. All generators are functionally tested in the factory to guarantee quality with EPA compliant, backed by a 2-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical guidance from experts. Number 5. Outdoor power equipment 9500 home generator. All Westinghouse portable generators are functionally tested in the factory and may contain minimum residual oil and/or fuel odor. EPA and CARB compliant, backed by 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with nationwide customer service network. The Westinghouse Gen 7500 portable generator is a powerful and easy-to-use power source to keep your home prepared for emergency events. It produces 9500 peak watts and 7500 running watts, operating for up to 11 hours on 6.6 gal, 25 liters, gasoline fuel tank. The Gen 7500 features push-button electric start, conveniently pairing with a wireless remote key fob for effortless ignition. Forged with the cast iron sleeve, the Gen 7500 has a 420cc 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine constructed for durability. It's equipped with a built-in fuel gauge, automatic low oil shutdown, and GFCI household outlets for added protection. The L1430R outlet is transfer switch ready, connecting straight to your home for total household power and eliminating the hassle for annoying extension cords or power strips. The Gen 7500 is easy to care for with a VFT data center to share real-time updates on maintenance information, ensuring long life and lasting utility. A hardened steel frame with added roll bars, foam grip handle, and never flat wheels lets you easily transport this generator on the go, while rubber outlet covers provide added protection from the environment. The Gen 7500 is complete with a 3-year limited service, labor, and parts coverage with lifetime technical support backed by our nationwide customer service and support network.